Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds Cellularline FLICK. To check battery level, we need to add the widget. So, to add a widget you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top, and click Add Widget. Now you can or scroll down and find batteries and click at the batteries line, or you can use a search and write right here batteries and tap this line here. Now here is 3 presets. Select the best one for you and click Add Widget. And right here you can check battery percentages anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected to your phone. And this one is the only one option how to check battery level, because these earbuds haven't application, so we cannot use the app to check battery level. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!